What's up guys, iDevice Help here. Today in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the cool tweaks available in Cydia right now. Now if you haven't jailbroken your iOS device, like always, you can always check the video description down below for my jailbreak tutorial. It's very simple to jailbreak. Then you can come back and check out these cool tweaks and cool things you can do after you jailbreak with this tutorial. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first tweak I want to share with you guys goes by the name of Camera Tweaks 3. It's available for iOS 8 and also available for iOS 7 Camera Tweaks 2. Now, it's $1.49 right now at the Big Boss repository. You can go ahead and download it, and basically adds extra functionality to your stock Photos application on iOS. Now, you do get an extension here in your settings application where you can adjust certain settings. You can enable or disable, also set up advanced settings. Camera setup advanced mode, remember settings, which whatever settings of course you set, it will remember, and also remember the frames per second and other settings if you toggle these on. You have a very nice user manual there if you don't understand what some of these settings will do for you. And you also have the active features, which you can also switch on and off if you decide to use those or not. So let's go ahead and jump into the stock camera application here on iOS. And as you can see here, I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the photos option. And the first thing you'll notice is at the bottom right here, you have a toggle that allows you to take a different quality picture. So this is very cool because you can set the quality of the image to whatever quality you want. So it doesn't always take the highest quality image, saving space on your device. I mean, some people may want the highest resolution, but if you don't and you like to save space on your device, that's an option there that you can use from 144p all the way to 2448p HD photos. Now it's a very cool option to go ahead and adjust the resolution of your pictures there. Now also this new camera button here on the bottom left, if you tap on it, you get different options here. You have the advanced mode, you have a timer, which is the same timer Apple added there on the top. You also have a lapse feature. So if you tap on that lapse feature, basically if I set this to 5 seconds, it will take an image every 5 seconds. Very self-explanatory. Now you also have the white balance lock. You can also do that in iOS as well. Now you also have here that you can adjust the zoom in and out here of your image, as you can see there. And you also have over here the ISOs. You can adjust also the ISO. Now if you keep scrolling to the left, you have some composition tools here to align your images. Now not fully supported for bigger devices at the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus, but the iPhone 5S is fully supported. I'm sure other updates will come in the future to adjust these issues with larger screen devices. Now if we jump over into the videos option of your camera, you also get a toggle here on the bottom right, which allows you to adjust the resolution of your video. Very cool again. This other cool option at the bottom right, as you can see there, the frames per second. You can go ahead and shoot 1080p video capturing at 60 frames per second. Now Apple already added that feature, but it is hidden inside the settings application under your cameras options. So right here makes it very accessible, very easy to use. Now if I go above 60 frames per second to 120 frames per second, I can go ahead and set that to 120 frames per second. It will shoot video at 720p, which is also HD, and it's very cool to have those options available there, but it does drop you to 720p. If you go back to 1080, it will drop your frames per second to 60. Now the camera button here on the left for the videos option, it gives you basically the same options as the photos advanced options. You also get the white balance lock. You also get the zooming in and out option here where you can adjust the zoom, and also the ISO can also be adjusted. And basically that is what Camera Tweaks 3 has to offer. Now at the top here you also have another tool which will allow you to verify if your image or video is stable. When it turns yellow like that, it means it's lined straight, so you can take the best video and picture at all times. So very cool tweak. I'd recommend you guys go ahead and check it out in Cydia. Camera Tweaks 3 for iOS 8 and also Camera Tweaks 2 for iOS 7. Alright guys, so this next tweak is probably one of my favorite tweaks. It goes by the name of AnyDrop 3, which supports iOS 8 and also iOS 7. You can find it under the Big Boss repository for $2.49. Now, every iOS device comes equipped with AirDrop, which is a feature where you can AirDrop basically images and other files to other iOS users, and also Macs that support AirDrop. Well, basically, AnyDrop allows you to share more than just pictures and files. Basically, if I go here into the music application and I go ahead and tap on a song and release, the AnyDrop 3 pops up. Now I can share this song with any of my other devices that's supported by AirDrop. I can send it via message. Now normally you won't be able to do that, and it only supports DRM free music. For example, this song here is DRM free. As you can see here, this YouTube song is DRM protected, so it won't allow me to share it. But again, very useful. You can share via message. Also, AnyDrop allows you to download YouTube videos. If I go here into my channel and select one of the videos here, I can go ahead and pause it and tap on the top right here, and it allows me to download the video. As you can see there, it gives me the quality of the video that I want to download it on, or the quality I wish to download it. It brings up the application AnyDrop, which you will find on your desktop once you download it. It looks something like this, and it will download the video for you. As you can see there, the progress bar is moving. It's downloading a YouTube video, and I can watch it on the go without needing Wi-Fi or data to watch this video at a later time. Now, once the video is downloaded, you'll find it on the bottom section here where you see this little box. You can tap on there and your video will be displayed right then and there. Very cool. You can also share that video using AnyDrop to other iOS devices using AnyDrop, that is with the AirDrop feature built in to iOS. Now, another cool feature for advanced users, you can share any of the system files with your Mac and vice versa using this tool as well. So very advanced, very cool tool. I use it a lot. Again, it's one of my favorites available in Cydia. Go ahead and check it out. AnyDrop 3 for iOS 8 and also iOS 7. Alright, so this next tool is a very simple one and it's free. So you can download it in Cydia. It's called Color Bar. Now, as you can see here at the status bar here, it is a color black status bar. Sometimes I like using that. I think it gives the device more dimension and it makes it feel better, in my opinion. And you do get the extension here in your settings application, which you could go ahead and enable or disable. Now, every time you make any changes, you want to go ahead and click save and respring. For example, you have the front color, which is basically the fonts. You can go ahead and change the color of the fonts, and also the background color, which is of course the background. So I have it set to black for the background, and also have the fonts set to white. So that's why my status bar looks just like it does right now. But it's a very, very cool tweak. I really enjoyed it, and it is free, available in Cydia under the Big Boss repository. So I recommend you guys go ahead and check it out if you like theming your device and making it look really unique. Really awesome tool, Color Bar. This next tweak is a very, very cool one. It goes by the name of QuickShot Pro for iOS 8. Now, QuickShot Pro is also available for iOS 7 under the Big Boss repository for $1.49. Now, this tweak, it's very awesome because you will never miss a moment with this tweak because it allows you to take pictures right from your springboard and add in other shortcuts as well. Let's go ahead and take a look around. Now, you do get the extension here on your settings application once you download it. And the features of this tweak, just the list goes on and on. The developer did a very great job, and also shout out to the developer for sending this one out to me to show you guys. Now, the first one is a toggle here for enable or disabled. Now, you can select which camera is going to be taking pictures or videos when you activate this. I got it set to the rear camera. You also have the video quality you can select. Go ahead and select the video quality. You have if you want the flash to be on, HDR, and other options of that nature. You can also add other shortcuts for advanced users. You guys are going to love this. If you have other shortcuts that you want to implement, you can do that as well. You also have activation methods that you can do as well. Now, the behavior of the application can also be adjusted, as you can see here with these toggles. And also you can select other icons to be enabled other than the camera app to actually take pictures or video as well. Now, it works very, very simple. Once you activate it, you want to double tap to take a picture. Alright, so that took a picture right then and there. Very cool. Double tapped and then tapped it again just to take the picture. It doesn't wait for you to open the camera app. You don't have to wait for the camera app to open. None of that. Just double tap and tap again. And there it is. You take a picture right then and there. Now, if you want to take a video, very simple, triple tap. And now it is capturing video. Tap once again and you're done. Very simple, very quick. You don't have to wait for the camera app to open, as you can see. And now it is capturing video. Tap once again. It captured that video right there. Very easy. And again, you can add other shortcuts, things like double tapping on the power button or double tapping on the home button, things like that. You can go ahead and activate different gestures, and you'll never lose a moment with this application, or you'll never miss a moment with this application using activation methods and other shortcuts. Very cool one. QuickShot Pro. I'd recommend you guys go ahead and check it out. Again, available for iOS 8 and also iOS 7. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and show you guys one more. Now, under the Big Boss repository, there's a very cool tweak that goes by the name of Sleep Effects. And you get the extension there in your settings, and basically it adds really cool sound and also effects when you put your device to sleep. Now, the first option is the enable or disabled switch. You can select the effect that you want it to display. I got it set to random. You can also adjust the speed there of the effect. Also implement any particular sound. Now, basically, as the name implies, where it's going to make a really cool effect. Again, I got it set to random. There you go. So you can see that one there. I'm going to show you another one. Very cool one. So make sure you guys go ahead and check that one out as well. It's called Sleep Effects, and it is available under the Big Boss repository. Thanks to the developers who sent me all these tweaks to share with you guys. I appreciate it. Make sure you read the description down below. There I will have my social networks: Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and Instagram, all that good stuff. Check them out in the description down below. And also my jailbreak tutorial will be there. It's been iDevice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.